Hi everyone, my name is Rudy Aguilar Skula and I'm gonna give you some arguments about international trade agreements. So, international trade agreements are deals between nations governing the exchange of goods and services across borders. These agreements establish the terms, conditions, and regulations that countries must follow when trading with each other. They cover first aspects such as tariffs, quotas, intellectual property rights, and dispute resolution mechanism. These agreements aim to promote economic growth, foster cooperation between countries, and create a fair and predictable trading environment. The reason for international trade is because not all countries can fulfill need for goods or services from their own country. Therefore, we agree that international trade agreements do not only benefit developed countries but also developing countries. International trade brings substantial benefits to participating countries. One significant advantage is the boost it provides economic growth. This growth, measured by gross domestic product or GDP, stems from the combined factor of production owned by both domestic and foreign citizens. Efficiency and effectiveness in the exchange of goods and services between nations are promoted, facilitating mutual fulfillment of needs. In essence, international trade fosters collaboration, stimulates economic expansion, and enhance competitiveness on a global scale. An at-last benefit of international trade is to encourage the existence of job opportunities with the opening of jobs. With the widest possible opening of international trade, it will affect the need for workers, so that new employment opportunities will be created and make it easier. So with the existence of international trade, this condition will certainly help countries reduce the unemployment rate. That way, for someone who has not gotten a job, it will be easier to get a job. In conclusion, it is evident that international trade agreements offer advantage not only to developed countries but also developing ones. Through fostering economic growth, promoting efficiency in production processes, and facilitating mutual fulfillment of needs, these agreements contribute to the prosperity and development of all participating countries. By recognizing the mutual benefits and opportunities for collaboration, nations can harness the potential of international trade to promote sustainable development and foster global prosperity. Hence, it is imperative for countries to continue engaging in constructive dialogue and cooperation to ensure the equitable and beneficial implementation of international trade agreements for the collective advancement of nations worldwide. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.